why you have to listen to us. And the takwa this year, you because watch am on the other one say some follow show on SOMPA 101.1 FM. And the issues ben that wa yeah babaka ho asem issues they are there doors ye pa. Over the weekend, the new patriotic party, the back and forth, Dr. Brian Achampon, Honorable Kennedy Akoprekwe Japan, any Ora Kwabran Japan. Any akasifo bebree eda akasa Dr. Mahmoud Babia yenyan ntia say wa hopiem wo New York sabre eye MPP kuna ewo hono. I'm told say woman debate 33 years, and of course they are there celebrating the feat and the successes of the new patriotic party, and also to re-look at the party at Gudentia Wani Edi Ayenkugo in the 2024 elections. Eti baby obiano bomoding na course so na ma we fidie nda. Ya bomoding akwatia. What is happening in Akwetia? We have been told by the IGP say no womu dia aposifo bi aba eya Akwetia wa me ne ukase ikra no. Woma kyere nkrofobia etuo ekrobo. Sa nkrofo no emrane woni bedi ana say we no so ebe business as usual. Enti baby obia no remember SOMPA 106.5 FM. And again, over the weekend no yet asembia na asem no na ye nyan ye say ekuo bia wo mkopiem ewo kontompo is in Western region honum baby. Na wo mkopie bu ho no yesi nyankoma de bi na ekoso bi de nyankoma de na omuka no well media man fa mani ehu say wo mo de nipati ana wo mo de nipa nsa but we ye babo modern akoho na yeni assemblyman a o sampotem ho no edi nkomo na wie e was SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Ye babo modern so na say the medical kan ye no Honorable Frederick Achampon no assemblyman ho ye ne bedi nkomo na me dem ka say unu say over the weekend ye nkomo bi beto dwa na sa asem na e beto dwa no na free Dr. Brian Achampon ano, and of course asem e beto dwa no na manfo say na sabre a MPP for prese womo ebepe womo kendini a obesi akan e dia ma amanyoko no in the 2028 elections no amanfo the tribal and religious issues everywhere. But omo modern ne enkonkotie nsamo a Brian Achampon kan ye ba the other rebuttals from Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and from the other rebuttals from the other persons and of course Osei Chairman Sabosun, honorable former majority leader of Ghana's parliament, Minamokase, he's agreed to speak to some of these issues right here. So wherever you are, remember you are on the best dial. Bombarding na TCC na yeah, but Dr. Brian Achampon and some more kind. And I still believe in that. To be able to now convention, we say we don't need the president from the north or we don't need the president from the from a Muslim or a non-Muslim. Nobody can convince. I still believe that because our party must evolve as a national party. Nobody can convince. But we need the first thing a man put together is power. Two, in selecting our presidential candidate, we need to select one. We are going to select it from the north, one that can win us power. And I have said it that if a Muslim candidate now you know, or you have or any other tribe, or we know we have problems. No, we need to have a chapter and can I will contest. Our man is a fine candidate. You know the new candidate. He's only a victim of circumstance. He's only a victim of circumstance. President Kufuano, we need MPP voter Kusasi. We need MPP voter Omakusi. President Kufuano, we need MPP voter Kusasi. And we need MPP voter Omakusi. And this is essential confidence in 2024, apart from a point, a free OT,
Ediko upper east, upper west, and northern. Upper western region. The Lucy is a woman.
All right, so SOMPA 106.5 FM. So I want to call on Dr. Osai Chairman Sabonsu so we can have a conversation over here live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Honorable Osai Chairman Sabonsu, Bianca Same Papa Madinina. Honorable Yama Baba forgotten country. So on SOMPA 106.5. I'm Pachapom to saying.
Kakaka.
Hey, Yamiadum Kakaka, say, boss of the body, you try fly, you know, honorable and Timian be PM. Oh, honorable, are they?
Oh, I mean, they say, oh, Casse, Tinia, me PM. The one say, we didn't buy incident together, and then you bought by your cry. Into a Mripamuno, ever.
Minim say Emre Pane de eni echire.
But I say
Emre Pane de minim say eni echire kra. God is skin. Now say no Aprobotis sang about the new patriotic party. Emu yenim say kendini awutanechi aye Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Say no Aprobotis sang na sabre ahin owo.
Oh, medasi. Sisia ankasa de o amanoni. America for MPP. Nkrabata wo ho ni bi na omo di o mafe. Ana mo to nsa frɛ no. Nti okɔ New York. Ya me aduma. Otan na de share de na wabetu. Watan ba Ghana. Nti ono baby a owo no ne metimi aka eno no. Na obisa sɛ aprobon so te sɛ ikwemu a kakaka. No
Yenya tie sompa.
The campaign no ya okane sɛ opese otiku bi sɛ ode ye ne campaign na obewi no kasi ya hobi pesa na fe uwia na party for no ankasa giri sɛ oyo mo sinchen tina ne oye ne sɛ the campaign or the ma party for no ankasa sɛ because the party adwuma ne nyina yeye or the ma party for no sɛ omo nsomu na omo amona ho dewu emano inti at the national level, at the the regional level, at the constituency level no sanity so ne be ya yewia ye bibia wie ne ka bo mu a ayemra ma yen yese bia obekọ region na obekọ constituency bi na obi de wo se nia nti ni adwuma ma no isan se me de ma declare se be woni passionesi the campaign bi ne bia nyi nti sai ni pan ni bia probi ahye na nan na me fa de se e bia be ko constituency
SOMPA FM
constituency secretary say me de ha you be any me support Baromia me support ni pa foforo nti say na assistant no na dwen ye say on support Baromia e je say o de adwuma na hye ne o de secretary adwuma no so ahye ko no nsa sa na ye no e bia se na be ya se na maka no iwia ye kan ho bu mu a enye den e ma ye sa na ye ko no
ba so we be kan say e ba na internal elections ewo amanyoko bi mu a eden a enchichemu beba we ekuo we betimi aka say yen yakwa akodi nipa so masu echi we muso betimi aka say yesu yakwa akodi nipa so masu echi the clear case in point na dey say the national the youth organizers within the new patriotic party nanu ada wo mo enekofa forms no Edema Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Is that not and also Yekua award the party more or ati omo so follow Dr. Mahmoud Baumia?
Oh, who said there is anything wrong with it? Say youth organizers, no. omo deputies. Na omo number no about 500 and something. Na omo platform. Party structures ni no. Over chairman for omo platform omo create. Enye nra asemo. Dada omo create nti bia omo di omo ho nkomo. Vice chairs as omo platform, first and second vice omo platform. Oko secretaries, me assistant secretaries omo platform, organizers me omo deputy. Sa na tete. Na se na me manugusu ameke. Omo numbers no over 200 and 500 and I think 70 or something. 276 times 2. So nti omo numbers no. The nano omo kofa omo use omo platform no say omo pese omo support be omo amo nchire no. Like say omo nyani pa no be 490 or so.
SOMPA FM.
What it means is that nipa no be dunum ana maybe around 60. The amount from how she would be. Also, a support to any platform. But yes, if you want support no, and I'm some DJ a talk a crack, even if you 50 cities, if you 100 cities on me, and I'm the Koye, or Koye, you know. The Ubisa Sana.
But honorably, where I mean, Jawan, so a bible case, Sani Yana course so no. Na enya dia ebetimi di nkabuma ba party num se yemfa ne se di panel executive of the party na sesia no wakwa di Dr. Mahmoud Baumiechi na yeto aba ne wie na Dr. Mahmoud Baumia manu susum na so na wendi nkunimu a wouldn't that be a problem for the party?
Yeah. A campaign, ye ne kwan so. So the bodewuru na enye atemdidi. Ene the empocha. Nipa ni bi no. That's a wo ton candidate no a. E wa kuma paso ni adwen fine no. Then it shouldn't be a problem. Democracy ye no. Kama menka bia ye no. Minia isua efi baby. You see, a whoopee and a VP. Yeah, presidential system. And a Ghana. A hybrid, but in terms of presidency, yeah, presidential system. America for Omuna, is cited as the flagship of presidential systems. American elections, promo elections, internal elections. And now we are not Donald Trump, no, so be a more presidential candidate, no. Then Republicans need being supported. And that. Hello.
Tell me to you, pa.
Me say Donald Trump, not all pay, so be lead the Republican Party, no. Not acting penny for no, including senators and congressmen be not a month, no. No more give any for bar, eh. Until they came out openly, said they are not endorsing him. Some of them endorsed him. Republican Party, congressman, they endorse him, and I said, don't want to endorse Donald Trump. But I said, and no crano, Emma, Oma, a chidifono, and Mama can say, ah, Sabi, so what to Obama MP? Obama should be your fee. And they get a machine big move on so. Honor, is here a mind ye near Manchester. So, a mra ye did teach your mind, ye did do mine, on ye yellow. The agreements in your manema, on ye yellow.
But Bebacho, Obibetia can say, Senators Nasam now, what they am Phantom Hono. They are not executive members of the party. Well, I don't know what your constitution of the guiding the party says about executive members openly declaring support for one candidate.
ewo oman ni na oman ni na yemra she ebedwafie. You expect that ordinarily no ma she begani no obenya suo hunu bi obenya entity bi o amanyosemu no manchechire mu bi say o ma she begani no ka say nenya o mo hebi e say we ne be boy ya o kasa ke mu odu pa o ya se bejafo no ya they are fencing executive committee at the constituency level are members. So more car that you think ama mo say a party members there now so we know a chain.
Okay, so suffice it to say and adiache now the national executives of the party omunyina so about out akwa kofa forms ediama one of the candidates. Would you be happy with that?
Well, that's no me dia mo say mo hweso.
Sompa FM.
Omo dia mo say mo hweso.
So say uga say party no omo na ye dia mo so mo hweso a at the local level down there at the polling station level no so no one a ewo ho as youth coordinators no omo so party no ye dia mo so mo hweso wo form.
Asa make no so mama no nsi no so be sin.
Be patro we there.
Let me say, as far as me are concerned, if they are democratic rights, say omo ebe twaba, no metinya bo bi hu dawru. Say, then you pay na, e bia e demand be bo party no. Masa, omo yanka na kure. Omo yanka na kure nche yo. 2008. Na ye be twaba yi opi. Now, if anything, Samuel, nipa don't should be etigo, must say, some succeed the president for. We have a partner in your monster. The boy. President Kufo, about out openly to say, he should be interested in who succeeds him. Okasa say, or no. Also, you're interested in who succeeds him. The who succeeds him, you know, my features to be a party mission. No.
But Sabren Wambodi in Biao. Oh, me bacha we dey be about time pa ona bo dey kasa o ka say
enti ono o ka say wi no na o say obi a dey man no should obi a misu ene ne banye. That's why can na party constitution in Kwana na woka. That person should be a good character. Obi a wa badaye na sabi wo de o man shenin sa wo de party shenin sa na say me ya dum ye ba pro na say o man de yi tumi ne manwa. Ono president na oda obetimi ada.
Sompa FM.
Obi a e bia o de man no. Na say bi oda oni ba ko eteho. President focus an se nyina. Me no ya adwen say President Kufo wan tro no mutro say we na mo fama no. Me de man che sa asem no. Man che sa asem no. Otumenu mutro seseki. But the popular gossip out there was that na odeni achiri enipa baako. Yi omono wa be mu including MMDCs ne ministers bia omufi aban mu no na manfo bi ese ohun se omo support obi ana na adwen wo no. I say if I say I'm choosing my words carefully. Me see the popular gossip out there. He was the president, and at the time the de facto leader of our party. And I'm here to be. Dr. Baumiadi, me, another Danko Kufuado, Bankan Remeda. At the time, let me a majority leader. Now, so one can't let me say any person see any support no. Again, the popular gossip out there was that no support to Nifabako. What do you say? He was the de facto leader of the party. He entitled to express his opinion. Said Bushafo, the American President Kufoka, Nikki, in Nipa way, maybe say, the Omanishan and say, the department and the Omanishan and the bit my boy. It's a Kufado, so Kasa, me, I wouldn't fault him. What you say? Kasa, I wouldn't fault him. And now we are President Biden or step down, say Uncle Biuno, or the nature Kamala Harris. Only the man, he was the president, I was the leader of the party. And said, me, I don't see anything wrong with that. A Jinasania, we see I at the end. Our party, though, any Ghana, for instance, Ikua, Omunti Mincha Magini, say, Ebia, Abaya Betrono, Yantuma we, and I sent to my Asmisi, any electoral commission.
SOMPA FM.
Because Omuna, Abatrono, any celebrity at Trapano, Bibia, no Masabo Abatrono by. Don't declare the this but President Mahama, a knee, so the Casse, was for NDC for Southern America, or Cock no Castle, Nikki, any pa, may bear Kumu, may who say, the situation who, and ya or mind your home to tear pa. I the manation and so between your boy, any sounds missing tea. Some of them by Adrian, what the manua, can you see? What you say? If John Mahama, President Mahama, yes, I wouldn't fault him. Is it not the case? Is that the Lawrence and Podium, I'm a party Lancasa, or one saw President Nelson, say, winner, Yenfa, a German. Yenfa party, and and this one go Congress.
All right.
Is that okay?
Yeah, I mean, sir, you have given the narration enough, and then our listeners out there, would be the best judge as to the conversation. But key amongst in somewhere in Nentia, your friend, no, Assembia, Dr. Brian Champon, Kan, na or Kevin Bisa, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Sir Empono. Say MPP amanyokuno e power no so mbe yo mo kendi nia enam say woye mampusi ninti no enya de akusasifo no ebeto abama no ama MPP asa dinchu sasam ibeto dwa me hu say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ankasa ba modern aba be yi ano na minim say said de wudi nechi no sasam no I don't know because the conversation I'm hearing from some political pundits so actually me say some no ankanya some money bia every say wa bra na ye 2024 elections no that tribal card was played because the MPP for those who say this time around no yes we am first ni ankwa enya dia your friend say party na ankasa no esrim for no ebedoyen. So when you listen to those argument now situating it there Dr. Brian Champon the allegation here will make it here honorable then now betting me akafa
man to me chebe de fi many me asem bia na unfortunately that's more kind idea when I think it's a very unfortunate statement. To put it lightly, it's a very unfortunate statement. I didn't have any kasa. You talk baby. Atino, a genetic sport. But among him, setting Tina, and my performance, Uncle Krasa. Because indeed an intrusion. The performance was very abysmal. Uncle Krasa. The following Memenda Ashanti region, and I say Ashanti region is the heartbeat of the party. No one who say, Yamodi Mono, and so you could don't be so much my son food, my amoye wiemu man di ntia ama ya bisi nya yigina ye no asofo na mote ye no me no mote me ye okitinani e koye wiemu no yeti about 5 teams omo visit consistencies ni nyina okoye no anya party for no nko no mkushia omo ni tina mfu kushia market women afita for driver for passenger for motika mu abia mo station omo ni ebikasai omo ni e fene say tailor for seamstresses ekasai mechanics only ni pare nyina cross session omo mo ko fu mu omo mo kasai da omo ko no person na design e no yen asante de ni de shemu e mo bisaye say abato na ekọ no ntwa ye di no that was the first time na before
SOMPA FM
the partner and nimu so yen faninko no that was the first time. It was also the first time on my morning in our crown the cramoni edi party be anim don kokono and he bizarre questions no so 2 questions no were asked say maybe mususu say first time I did seminity equaling into the my performance no uncle yesa na yeah. The second question was Idi kainia Idi kramoni so edi party bi anim say onko pray to me na mai na and also come be na ma yentimi amomode enkwa ya na but the more no the answers given na no o baby sa no debi yes muni asem o community debi it has nothing to do with the Kramusem. Ashanti report no now at the national level no and national council so am I yet Professor Okwe committee no so near every mwabano actually say there was no evidence to say oye kremuni oye efremuni intinema yantwabano amano. Those two no in me Ashanti report no in me and also Ashanti report no doesn't support that. A national one no doesn't support that. You know, it could be our domope. A German for foundation be high for the Conrad Adenauer Foundation. Was I am dance someone. Me funny BCS in Kitty some shame. So ye or yes, Simuni or Yekremuni, you know. Report no in Nimusa Conrad Adenauer Foundation, you know. The investigation has been so come who ye a more again. Almost a report no in Nimusa. And where is this coming from? The Nipa be this activity Shimus or Yekremuni or yes, Simuni, Intina Ama, ye Ninkudimino. There's no trust in that. You've been also or ye a simple crowd, or for Bibiama, or ye not, and so when you for Bibiama from the stream. I buy it to be an opinion. A sad beach in a abo a people. And yet, a slim one, you lose votes. Baby, are you lose votes? Ashanti region. One more young trouble, what they say 2020 results. One more young trouble, Ashanti region, about 400 and I think 20,000. And Uncle Trouble. This are Krahadi. One and Trouble. About over 500,000, 570,000. Data Krahangona, among Trabanamayin. Oko all the regions, sanity, except one region. Region 1, how the 2020 results, or Mutimi, no one be crack is the northeast region. And here, possible me and the region. The home region, is the only region Ikinya 2020. Now signed almost about 20,000 as I can. All the 15 other regions now, we lost. And I say, your voice is so tea. Was a so tea or Ashanti region. Is it because
okay, so that conversation where and then abatom my money na anymore womodi. Say no minim say a idea NC and NC ochina and son of my to my banner. So what
I would say see because that conversation one is dangerous for our democracy. It's dangerous for our democracy, and it's also dangerous for the survival of the MPP. Because MPP is in foka home, cremofoka home, and a cotrabao. I say, Semunibia ba, in name say, or demusronco. That's I will say, when the manual in a year. You are discriminating against the person.
Okay, so if you say you are discriminating against the person, what action Sabri would you petition the National Council of Elders of your party to step in this regard, or better still, go to the national executive of the party and lodge a complaint so that this kind of tribal, bigotry, politicking would stop? Would you take that action?
The name of Cafe Afena, Yamisi, Masiko Dunkrai. The BBC, maybe all of us in the campaign team, no, any or no Kafa candidate, no. And I was saying, yes, in the air day. James, at the top, and now you're working here. It be a petition party now. Professor Buzia, I know, can I say, Africa, to be a very successful politician, no. Also, you have a phone case and now James in a gum, Papa Niboni. I say, every now and then, maybe I could count him in all their toes. And I'm saying, because a national tragedy now I befall this country. I'm a ministers of state actually woman. So therefore service military officers woman and so mine akunya atofu say na mako baby na party assembly na yeko kanam so ministers amu no ministers of state. Which state near Kanwasem? The state of Ghana, the Republic of Ghana. It did not make us say any NDC for MDC a person or be a swap for the NDC for Nanya or my moon Nanya. Me shall say, I'm sorry, me mom pay ma almost in your name for currency.
Yeah,
and make and chili or bush for you. If you want to be a coffee, sorry, I thought Danny no say, me say, I think
that's a story in the crime hui. And I was
Joy FM for a letterhead. So the joy of one friend, maybe what I mean. Joy of one friend say, I'm for be interview me, and I'm so far dear. And I'm so saying, I'm so ready. We call a party meeting, report a BA anyhow. And she, but after that, no joy FM for be answering this Sabbath. And I'm so, sir, no more 10 minutes. No one can answer you. No more 10 minutes. And 10 minutes enough from Sunday, I didn't bread me. And I'm so much human who say, letterhead now, and if I couldn't issue, logo, no, a fake logo. I'm a joy for the cry, and home, a disclaimer, a news report. Say, a seminar will be the better than quick. A woman interview, and I mean, cancer. What I say, and so, Obi a unfair doctor, but me and send payment abuse. No, not on I'm so no share. We also the yes, I'll say the register was saying, Mampo.
Yeah, because honorable Major so as a brother here, but we want to thank you, sir, for your time. But I also listened to Dr. Brian Achampon as a sama no kano was saying na mwajina no esi boni because your car any dear then ya dia a boni bia womb. Because so sango on what yana.
Mentee or chimu ikusi na miano asmo kai no recording no itie no when we are not angels and sometimes we get any maybe wrong and she say we this say one microphone anymore occasionally some kind of be wrong and just
oh yeah
and the BBC na ebi amanfo yi mu ate na hu se no ade ankoyi na uchafo. This is not what I meant. It is say na aba mo fanche nyina I move on.
So you expect say what they a chopa eba beto abonting based on the someone eda abonting.
Yes, na say ebi a wo can say wo justify say ya chono na esi boni when asem say no waka no dia. Now they menen nya adwem papa.
But you expect an apology. You expect an apology from him.
Say I will leave that to him. Say you obiaka bi na ntwa yi no. You can't force the person to apologize. Or maybe obe reflect. Otie ebia atan ankofo yi mu no. Aka say okay. Me see no. Let's move on. Let's forget. And you also expect the National Executive Committee and for that matter, the Council of Elders to take an action on this particular issue. I'm saying, if some on their own, almost, but from the Omia camp, on the Inshia and take his decision. And I make us say, Omo Cramp, so I may aduma a channel what they do.
So what if they don't act? The National Council of Elders don't act. The national executives don't act. Do you see, say, the waters even after we came near Obedi Amanyokurum for the 2028 elections?
Let me cancel be. Let me cancel my process. And I make a far me cancel.
Yeah.
I won't cancel one. What you say? Sometimes you listen to it, no.
Okay.
What you say? Until all over any who
okay.
I don't want to prejudice any discussion.
Oh, Basa say me beto jwa oni na di nkoma ana oni ni nya di nkoma. Oh, okay.
Honestly.
Okay.
Your bar. But you never get home. You can't say I wasn't happy with what I heard. As I'm saying, I'm leaving it to Brian, who I believe is capable of analyzing and reanalyzing the situation. If you think that it's open to the party, and maybe it should go and a very resolve assembly. If on the other hand, we'll review not say maybe what I've said, we'll leave it to him. But as far as we are concerned, in Asia, which is going to be tomorrow, then we'll see what to do.
And you actually a brother na mobeshia.
Oh, tell me say no,
okay.
We'll have a discussion.
Okay, so after
that,
I'm
saying it's either do we petition or do we just leave it? Because there's been sufficient conversation, and as a council, me being an various station.
Yeah.
The general, say, people are not happy with the statement now. I think most people then you're happy with it, but it's left to the individual. Then you can say or no or say, Brian say, I'm not for an action. I know a sibone maybe I don't know. But what are the plain words that he used? Plain words appear to suggest something different.
Okay, and you know, wait there, my was say, but if you were Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, what action would you have taken with regards to this particular statement emanating from Dr. Brian Achampon?
Yeah, I'm not Dr. Mahmoud.
That is why I'm saying that if you were, it's an if condition.
I don't want to make any statement say because make a statement to be a bit prejudice what decision that he may want to take. And I say the group we may want to take. I don't want to sound personal.
All right. Okay, views much respected. Honorable Oseiche Mentabunso, we want to say we are grateful for your time this afternoon on Forgotten Country Awesome, but I would have loved to have you in studio so we can have a one-on-one conversation. But that you have promised us, and I'm sure that one of these days you come over for the conversation to unfold right here on SOMPA in studio, Forgotten Country.
It's gone beyond promise. Now it's a pledge.
It's a pledge. Very good. Very good. We'll talk later. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's right. All right. We shall for SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. I can see, sir, by men in the studio are well poised for action, and they have certain comments to make with regards to Ayan Koma, Honorable Oseiche Mentabunsu Edino. But it's going to be after this break.
Techimano foi Electroland abeja near the Munamuni am upon in wait Thursday 10th April 2025 Ryan showroom for phone Kumasi Techiman Kwaneso
Yedi Roma sorry dino and that's a backsword Nidia Nimshe
Rabajo Samsung TCL Media NASCO TV AC fridge gas cooker washing machine deep freezer home theater microwave blender kettle rice cooker and any am papa kahunina now in baby Edika for Baku 50 ebenya 15% discount any achedie iti rabatadie kan ho na senya
Kweko nim se why she me kwa manane na so ebony show ho embaso
mane ho sepeno Ebony Condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony Condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla. We get peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. It only the view is a condom. The condom then it's not on, but as a condom.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye nti abaso bo magye ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st clinic in Gwa. What would be bidro and a besan ya no masa de machine aka ho. Eya sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eya sciatica e na stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho. Enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout. Se wo free enkran e ba. Ye wo wonsa nifa so. Wo fra masaman so na e ba nso a wonsa bonkum so. E ho na wo behu ye. 0540 311 311 0540 311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Tontonte. Yano sani afadwen. Ne afadwen mpa. Say na num se brebi beba. Ama tonti na 74. Opa ya ne simple. T74 abeye adru. Tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene esina nanom dodo so. Se de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no. Sa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no. Emo immune support enti obi onum bie no. Abrebia ne ho den. tonti na 74 yi nso yaye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ
samene wa ankefi na ekro yi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74
samennom tonti na 74 menya hodin mennom ne da bia
T74 yi hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a
woko pharmacy ana ba bia to nwo bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu
eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkratwe yi atom
Abuja for your mamma Baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country to Semene. Honorable Osei Chairman Sabonsu Edin Kobo. But in studio here, me wa a Ebo Backman. He's an economist, a politician, movement for change. That's where he belongs to. And of course, I also have my good brother, Roger Wells. He's here, National Communication Team member for the NDC. And then Lawyer Sebe, also National Communication Team member for the New Patriotic Party. Gentlemen, me mamunyi na akwaba. Na boko there.
Nyamina adum bibi aboko.
Good. Ebo.
Adum ya
weekend I'm so Friday on a network. Who said Jack? That was why she brutal.
Saturday so another network.
Saturday so another network. Then so was why she brutal. But we always thank you, Sumpa. We are grateful for every time, Biano. You share your moments with us and your thoughts with us right here. But you've listened to the discussion, and I said the interview I had with Honorable Osei Chairman Tabunsu. Any reaction to that?
And I'm going to be very candid and very blunt. And I'm very serious about what I'm going to say. One word I start with is hypocrisy.
Oh, you can't no?
No, hypocrisy is not
or nyatrum.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, nyatrum.
As in what?
I said honorable say Chairman Sebons or a car there. Honorable Brian Champon I some no can tribal comment on very unfortunate. If there's one person who started all this tribal politics in MPP, it was Chairman Sebonso. I wish he was on the line. Only MFAPO, your interview, or Joy News, interview, one-on-one interview. He started the idea there. And you the Akani after the Nado, the next person who would come should not be an Akan person. It should be not Akan person. That's tribal politics.
It's on record?
Yes, on record. No, we ain't no.
Can you?
No. It's a public. It's a public record. Only MF. What's my boss? Only MFR power. No, it won't be wise for the party to present another Akan after another. I even wrote an article. Article now. It was published. I think Ghana Web, Modern Ghana, and My Joy.
But how tribal was that statement?
No. Let's see. Yet to your money, regardless of the person's tribal background. To say there, the next candidate of MPP should not be an Akan. So you are excluding the Akans. That's tribal politics. Very, very tribal. And at the time, you see what is even more hypocritical. As I think the fifth MPP leader of parliament or Akan. GH men said, "Oh, ya Akanini." Felix Ofus also Japan, no ya Akanini. Papa Usankuma, no ya Akanini. Edu, or say Edu, Tema, Empino, no ya Akanini. Or say Chairman Bolsonaro, so no ya Akanini. Fifth Akan person. So yet he was saying there. So our presidential Aniza, Mama on for Akanini. When
so you wait.
Yeah.
I believe you've listened to dear Brian Champon.
Yeah. So the two, if you look at the two,
no, but I'm asking you about the Brian Champon. What was your understanding?
You see, Brian Champon, if MPP went some, go and read my articles and my interviews. Watch my interviews. Time I'm more MPP about Baumia. That he won't be a good candidate. even though as a person, no, he may be a good person. But also, there, yeton will go community. Into a show product, won't go think the product ye. She does go man sign on there.
No, but
I'm coming.
Yes.
So into by champo as Americano. He was talking about fact. As okay, no, when that could you what's in there? Dr. Baumia or a victim of circumstances, which is true. Now, on in there, he happens to belong to one of the fashions. Until last election, Crampo, polling stations are MPP for 5 executives. You know, every polling station, MPP were 5 polling station executives. Until Obiaron to Abama MPP, that man 5 polling station executives, in what to Abama one party. The man Kofunumpo want to Abama MPP because of this tribal issue. Until on our by champ, it won't be advisable them the party will present such a person again because Obandama a whole tribe will vote against the party. Them Osi was last one. Okadama, what's your tribal commentary or tribal politics?
But how do you see that commentary personally?
See, say if echo elections are, you would want to tell delegates why you think you are better than another candidate, or why another candidate will not be a good candidate. Dr. Baumia, on record, why are more tribal politics than any NPP member?
Oh, sure.
I can give you. I'm
you.
Why are tribal politics than any of the candidates on your contesting now? And religious politics, why is in winning now? But why can't there? So big canas in Kotian, where some no why and there. This is tribal, Dr. Baumia. No, okay, meeting, okay, a private meeting with Muslims in Peninfubi. No, catch one day. This video you can even look. Put me on TikTok. TikTok is a boom them video. No, I say there. Weigh him because I'm a Muslim. I'm one of you. Vote for me as your brother, as a Muslim, so that when I come, I'll be able to solve the problems facing the Muslims. Is it not religious politics? Yeah, Dr. Baumia, no one okay there. NPP party no no. You were Buzia. You were down Kwane Odombo. It is a Buzia phase 1 Danko phase 1 where you Dombo for 1. Yeah, it's not tribal politics. Dombo, it's not because Dombo was coming from the north. So MPP, what's the tribal one where you belong to? In one of our central region, who belong to which of them? Dombo, and Danko and Buzia. Central region for on you western north, one of from our party no more. So no person in MPP has done more tribal and religious politics than Dr. Baumia. It says Dr. Baumia is honorable search as one tribal politics, as the two by a champion is in who by a champion or you want for cry. Someone who invested by a champion is in obey GSS1.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes, they should stop that hypocrisy. I don't belong to that party anymore, but you see, the hypocrisy stinks. Urban.
Is that for that reason why you seem to have a problem with Dr. Mahmoud Baumia?
No, MPP Nankasa, you see, interview and Papa Ye, say it's a full thing now, baby, I am not. You see, MPP or MPP a lawless partner. It be a question. Why should we have a party? Executive members of the party, youth organizers who are elected members of the party, will go and buy form for a candidate. It be said, no, in the American Senate. Trump as some Ghana Parliament and simple question to be sending you. Other than baby cry. These are leaders of the party. You know the way leaders. Also, okay, reporter Washington Rigid. He was the chairman. Can you imagine a reporter committee research? Your chairman. I should have a reporter was Baba. Will he bring a reporter or a diamond to Dr. Baumia? Why then Professor Makoko report? Why all making it public? No one in them baby knows who's that question.
Or you feel that there are some of those issues I can't want some in there. They are in the report.
Our report from out there. Let me tell you, Prof.
Yeah, yes.
I'm not the one to advise MPP. Every election there are some factors will play a role. Even assembly elections. Assembly elections. Because Zongo, who are the assembly members to Zongo? Prof. Eko Zongo, sir. Assembly members in Ozongo, almost all of them are Muslims. It's not for any reason. Echo, baby, 1 year, a Muslim sister, or a Christian for. I wonder, one do know a Christian for. So, religious factor, tribal factor, economic factor, credibility factor, social factor, they now play role politics. Into one step of a candidate, or a weak or religious factor, or a weak or ethnic factor, or a weak or credibility factor, or a weak or economic factor, or elections are, or Sawara, on okay, my last what we put away. So, obey the views of Sawara, but Mama can you there? The hypocrisy, nyachum. What can do be a tribal politics? Where that one they themselves wonder. Dr. Baumia, what fun as a candidate in now? The message was anchored on tribal, or the offer not now. This is tribal politics. Also, there, often when you also want to mom.
So, who do you think is fit to lead the NPP now?
No. I'm not the one to decide for them. I'm not the one, but they are Makano. So one can say because they are continuous will go. Let me give you a scenario.
Yeah.
And with there, pork. Or in number no in papa.
Pork. And pow.
No. Also, that kind of pork. But why in papa and one depend on baby return. Where you are selling it.
Oh, there you go.
Pork. And papa was don't go. Hey, I like the phone. Okay. So baby so the pork or in papa. Is that kind of pork or in papa depending on baby returning. Say return was zone goes out on your papa. No, a return will baby outside zone goes out. Equayam Pano Nazia. Pork or your delicacy will be apple or but the same pork no zuko zongo wanto. So the problem is not the pork. The problem is igua ereton pork no womb. The marketer ereton pork no womb. So if you are going for an election, you don't look only at the candidate too. Actually, iguana ekoto candidate too. Iguana what's then. The nature of the market is what determines what to produce. I wrote this. I said this. These people will not listen.
So what is the nature of the market now?
In Ghana market, 73% are Christians, 46% are Akans, 49.6% are women. Yeah, I think 51 point something, 50.6 or so are women. 63 to 70% are youth. That is the nature of the market. So you are going to sell a cotton as we go on to be somewhere there. One of them, not some care campaigner. I don't have to talk too much to sell it to the Christians, to the accounts, to the women, to the youth. That's the nature of the market.
May I say? Okay.
So you pick a candidate and do that.
Last now to say. Always looking fresh, humble.
But I said, James, when I said, we mum say, Baba Dubio.
Oh, sir. I mean, we time we prepare with the answer.
On my lectures come.
Now, Roger, I don't know how many names are.
Mira, who are my MP before?
Yeah. Okay. Last ever patrol with you.
Yo, me that's na mema eti phone I have phone so nyina adwo. Na asem we de ya na ne kan ye bibia ho so kan na beka abochi no kura wom ne se o ka bibi na etia minority group a ye hu ano say you are being tribalistic ba o ka na se etia majority group dia obia enka ho hwe ensem bebre ho a menua panyin ebo aka no anwumre ya meka se mene no ya ade FM cause ye hwe ba bia obi a wa benefit from tribal politics pa emu kase ba ko eye your former vice president Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia.
Oh, you also ascribe to that?
Oh yes. I will say adia ba ko a eboa Dr. Bawumia nema yenya ne mugidie to abano man kese eye comment bia the then candidate and now the president of the land, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ekai say esa nsem Bawumia enya kan ni na ofri sremunti se BBC Akufo Addo amamu se de ebi to ebra no no ye vice president na MPP for mfa akonya ne ma Dr. Bawumia da efrise ofrisrem abochi mesrew eno no tribal eka ho bia na say that statement was tribal abon say obi a odi ba omi achi ye campaign man no bia na memeka ho ade ba ko a na yenim se yanfa Dr. Baumia ama MPP for NDC for be use to take kese ba ko no ene say MPP akanfo party enti ne yensesem because of this ene ma MPP to aba massively ema Dr. Baumia ena ono aso ba bi okoye bia no oka ho asem during last 2 years primaries say se motuma me amekwa kofa zongo votes ni nyina ba mefa srem votes ni nyina ba na se ukasa ansem na no de nya tribal na asam so a Dr. Brian champion eka yi me pe obi obeka se asem wo ye okan no enya nokre when we are engaging in intellectual exercise you deal with facts. And Dr. Brian, wababa represent the facts. Let's deal with the facts and leave the sentiments out. Oh, say comment be a eba who etia Dr. Brian bia no e commenter eka say wa make it tribal comment. Nemum the facts na all kan wasem de ye pese to twene. Dr. Baumia any Ghana ba wa respond to that statement. E de ono so no response ahe den aba. Na the response no tie mu ya okoya okan akoka court. Jina okọ jina mu e wo court nyina asem na opese o kire bibi se asese ya mfa sa de bre na nka ne ho sa bre imom dia na e kame MPP kura ne na ani ne yie na se wakọ akọ jina court 2012 na nam so am aba be the vice president of the Republic of Ghana dia be bi na aka Brian Champon analysis o ye ni nyina no Dr. Baumia twi ya dwene afri ho with his response. Brian Champion's statement had to do with the presidential elections, not parliamentary. As someone can say, a bribia ya dear ya boy a homodin, I was slim, and the baby of in the presidential elections. But Dr. Baumia, a response of the ban is 10 year or parliamentary seats. Ano analyze say afiwe near was 0 ho and ye benya 1 and ye benya 2 and ye sa call 0 and ye sa aba 0. So this is not the first time ye nya 0 seats. Dr. Brian Champo was not talking about the number of seats. He was talking about nominal figures as far as the presidential elections are concerned. And I no cross also Dr. Baumia de ma ye hunu ye no enya sa na ye hunu no. Nanso so no in a way Mekanama says to say I was not too happy. Said Dr. Brian said your present here I was not too happy. Why? The entire man you too happy. They say those two fashions no oyi omudi omusi what can asem no. In my opinion, he could have made the same points without specifically mentioning those tribes because of the tension na ewo ho no say see. It is your analysis now kofa sa komienu no asa de be analysis a na wo heighten tension e wo sa brono ne so eno ne de mempe wo ho but you could have made those same comments without mentioning kusasi any mampusi eho na me fault no na yesi asem bi wo ho a ese ochiamia no
but so kasano you said from the beginning say dear Dr. Mahmoud Baumia cannot a factual and so a factual no canasa is that not a fact?
I say
Dr. Brian Champo. Sorry, I beg your pardon.
A factual.
Is it not factual?
It's factual. But
so what is your worry about it? Because you had said saying some okay in was factual, and now you are digressing.
Me worry ni say, enya aboa ne kwasi anko na yati. It is the same facts now. Okutano no. He could have presented those facts almost 2 tribes needing. Because of
so you lawyer Sebe, you could have said say now I'm in the seat I'm putting it to you. You could have said say comment now or you know Dr. Brian Champon you know na a fact but you were not happy with at your in your initial statement but you say what can something in the now the way by
oh see I said the end justify the means. Yes. Yes. That's what I'm trying to say. In fact, to me, no matter power, yeah, penno. Adia ebema obi ahwe ne kra anane nkwade I'm against. And you said the attention e wo honom. The sa same way by one minim so follow social media among videos I've seen copy all videos you know say enne obi the video be I even don't want to comment about the videos. Now I shall say videos we
because when I see the videos
yes
I was like hey entino sa dey say serious was
serious entino sa kohwe na afei kusasi mamprisi na omo video say surface o hwe nyina no na ma ebufu anansen e kofom no na sorry can
so do you foresee say sankomo here about to just see no e be affect Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chances in the 2026 31st January primary elections would they affect his chances
primaries oh sanka affect the chances asankomo ni mre em hit na
anti omani abre
yeah now and command honorable say chamber na omani abre but the truth of the matter and I'm say the substance of the matter there
yeah
no because check every bang and every be a better run of biano na party wa ban so no ye be pushing out so share 2000 and was it 2000 year 2000
SOMPA FM.
Now the sitting vice president was contesting the late Professor Mills o pushi ye at the second round ye go 2008 in so 2008 na incumbent MPP and an 8 years aso obe free so ye push the second round the only time incumbent eteso ya report president Dr. Bawumia
yeah wodim la asebe ma make asem nchero
committee
benim candidate o support no
me support Honorable Kennedy Akompreko Ejapon.
Eti asem ibe to dwade Jack Babo say.
Oh, there was a maker no.
Uncle Bo Backman embem. Uncle Bo Uncle Bo embem. Uncle Bo Backman embem.
I'm excited for one reason.
Excited for one reason. What reason?
Nancy MPP communicators over. You get somebody or your Brian. Somebody or your Dr. Bawumia.
Sure.
Or your Ken. First not to them. Not only
Bawumia. Oh, but this time Krano, sir, me share social media. The echo so now. I wouldn't sit here and say
the walls of MPP are broken.
You see, my mentor must have nothing.
But you see for 1 minute. I can't 1 minute.
They all kind of there, no credit. No, and yes, but say even. Oh, I fact I him that.
Oh, but I am with it.
And I
say uncle free moon chain, uncle free baby. Now be boam no lawyer say to my am with it.
Oh, there be entimi nyame desa. There be
lawyer say
because at the end of the day
lawyer say
yeah dey nim ba bi agina wo.
Woni wonyom no sebe sebe yamwe. Entimo kosoro. Oh lawyer say
enti prof.
Ade we dey am do.
Oh, there be. Oh, Canada Japan no. Ono no
otim ye fancy for. Be that's because somebody dey akwa babo.
Oh, there be.
Anopabi monitor nyina say mushishe chire
ya shari biya
na ejire and I am with the say brand ground ko ka na some ground ono na say no ho chire no
na say anka
am
no Dr. Brian onyere na honya ne campaign onyere na honya campaign because I share the echo now to say Dr. Bawumia na the boss
o dey wakasa
SOMPA FM
na we MPP na
ya yam dey be me monke bi
MPP no MPP san say MPP party na o waga so can be o say MPP na nya na sem nti en say ka bi MPP say say
MPP o ka bi
o say MPP party na waga na he
Wagadugu
but that's kind of
now so na asem we ko free na ba
na the way o see and say am na monyom asem ye nja omo na mo ka
man ka say nya
it's a public institution
ana me ka no opempo ye be ka omo pese be ka omo asem
enti dey na wo be ka fa ho
me ka me bre nti before me share ase no ma me fa akwenye so entia eye the president o boy dwumaden e ma o my Ghana His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama
Chief of Staff
Okasa no me comporte me fa pen and paper me school now taking notes kofia
who the lawyer Sebeku school
na have you gone beyond studies
Ranger, some can see a chief of staff and open America.
Honorable Julius Debra. Honorable Julius Debra.
Wait.
Honorable Julius Debra. Honorable Julius Debra. Who him say pardon me feeling the brutal. Who him say ni conduct. The chief of staff. Ni conduct. The conduct. I am the moderator. You can't control me. Please. No, I gave you the floor. I've taken it back.
Okay, continue.
Okay, so also come in. Roger, meet you.
Bro. Abochi. But before I meet you, I mean, can be because
chief of staff. Because they say the whole house.
Chief of staff thing. It's in person. Won't say historically, no. Only now, but and this no more young. Because me ma youth no mutie any na who say party I bet me grow in as a youth. NDC. Forget the MPP for no. Go cry na manage party no. Appointment no. I know. I think I also put it. Roger, wait. Me judge now no catch him say you put it to me. But who catch him say Nkokrafo na manage MPP here. I tell you, General Secretary any party executive
national organizer or your babu.
Haruna Idris or a party executive. Meka yes.
One decision final.
Uncle Roger Maminti.
It's no Ghana from Bebunu amutie ye ni nyina no. Ope party bi adon. O life be transformed da. Ubetimi esu ade onye shenanigans jandam politics a. Joining NDC.
Me bacho me tie for na etie na shenanigans na say
say jandam propaganda ni lies. NDC was not.
I don't know the betwi mo abaka na same because nyina brofo no waka.
Maza jandam no. Akohwini intro and lies intro toli shito.
The party had a propaganda secretary.
Oh, Maza, UP time. Mami Chiro, let up here. I had a chance to intercept, and I said, me get the opportunity to read. Now, former President Akufo-Addo Papa, and the throw to the Queen, copy British Queen. Go on phones, and can you say me? Or say, this your Nkrumah, that your Nkrumah has started his tricks again. The one who is head of government business is now mobilizing the chiefs and the elders and religious leaders, agitating them to fight for self-governance now.
Okay, Mipacho, let's come to the issue at stake. Let's come to the issue at stake.
Why? Now, my member, His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama, who is the first gentleman of the state. Oboejumapa, so Japan. I say I will protect the public purse and offer commercial plane. I'm my false news. 7 o'clock, I'm see plane ne to me wana you so de my eda Nyankopon ase. Ye bom pae. Asre Nyankopon. Say, on fan ngo sra ne mbo my Ghana ho ban.
Fast forward to the issue.
Fast forward. Na me tia na be de Professor Jane Nana Opoku Ajeman. Na me tia ban mu perifoni na chief of staff na dan.
There be other time.
Honorable Julius Debra.
You have
accept me.
You have spent 5 minutes.
You don't worry. Okasa be 25 minutes. I'm keeping that.
Okasa 50 minutes.
Okay. Now Masan Etia chief of staff order appointees ni na no and abanduma yefo ni na no Honorable Julius Debra. Na me tia the Ahoy brothers. Amom papa no. Na me sanfa etia soronko ema nipa kura o manage ye party. Edi kiki this jangdam political party out. The General Mosquito obi anim no. General Mosquito ba ni diankasa Honorable Johnson Asiedu Nketia. Chairman bibi awo bia me chia na me nchia all party executives a omode omunyansa ni o ma ho ni bo His Excellency Echidom e ma na fa ni ntuma pa ayi efra na hwe MPP party no medical kawa say things are falling apart na center na nkasa so enye den holdi now What him say? Apart from that tribal issue, Brian, Echo Reziba, Osaso a refutee point say, I didn't know more withdraw from your friend is saying, Temale Central seat, no. MPP as a party do not think before they act. Let me tell you, let me put it to you on record. Our parliament, ye ready budget. Ye ready budget, no. O man tenancy and budget no more. Tell my yes crabby betting tax. Omo Johnny fee ba parliament room one on be jina bontin. Different press conferences. To the extent say sticker and a minister of finance their time. I say omo nya where say bibia or different betting tax. What's a mo and a money bill no bar before parliament. Ebe ye hu adwuma. E pass here. It's na omo to omobo e kinkan na so omo to omobo e ye omadwen say omo be go through the necessary processes and stand omo be respond here. Nanka will not come and speak out of sentiment. What does it? Right now no omo reason why I didn't man withdraw everywhere no. I say NDC should have replicated it and should have withdrawn out of sentiment. Just say you people are acting out of what? Sentiment. It's indirect market say you pulled out of Temale. We no contest no out of sentiment. Now issue of a Brian comments on MPP Niotia Eddie Kan Kachira say he was speaking on data and facts. Now Bahomia the political career apart from the economic lies now obiodi the other thing I man try here and I say so high in the political landscape and tribalism. To the point say or to His Excellency the President Malam John want is adding that. Now here. To the extent say omu to me appointing hands to voter register say omu dear they are loyal towards a particular political party. Say otumi ko sia ngwafo no ka kire omu say yen ye de ni ye friend saying zongo fo no ka kire omu say ono omo de ni omo to man. What kind of tribal man forget to say he who lives by the sword dies by the sword. Wait, enye NDC for na be kan kire mu. Mwangasa among confusion has set in the Ghana. What is that video no?
Mente.
That statement no. That election 2016 election. I say confusion has set in the Ghana. A woman be. Confusion has set in the MPP. Bibia scatter right now no omwa na mu wia omu prime minister 2026 na. Omu videos ni omu comments na omu make here na the election mu no. Ye say ye pay tips ni to ho. One by one. Ye we are bomb say boy. The bo
o saying
omu comments no omu make no. Omu make e dey go into their presidential
primary no.
Omu wie no omu yi omu we ni wie a. The only thing ye be call into 2028 is to come and play omu we na ma omu boy. So ni boy. Bang 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 bang. And I'm putting on dancing shoes because
now say
they have played.
But when it comes to the NDC, now musumo baba yemu internal primary.
NDC is a strategic party. Let me tell you. Forget. Oh yeah. Yeah, it is almost where boys kasa. The dekwa. We when we are going into our
primary. What's the MPP then?
Boys kasa the dekwa.
Roger, I'm so brenaso.
Maybe I say 1 hour 15 minutes. I feel I'm here. Me check it time on. I say me check it time.
Oh, Debbie. I can't 2 minutes.
3 minutes.
Debbie 2 minutes. It's here.
Abochi.
Okay, 15 minutes. Okay, there 20.
Una che.
Che. Mini ya kase. Mini wati minsani fa e kase yon. O say Brandon Champon e kasa by facts. Giving the data say omulusu wo hono na ni bisa say na osaso e criticize say Brandon Champon kasa o kasa ye no ye insensitive say ebetumi efuwele route no meboa sa na kan ye o say in sema Brian Champon kan no e betimi efueli the route that a part of the country into insensitive. Then this poses the question about the issue of national security if Brian Champon is fit to be a president in the country. A person who has sat in the seat of Minister of State in charge of national security, knowing the repercussion of talking tribalically about an issue of national security. This issue is a threat of national security. And a national security expert, Minister of State in charge of national security. Now who own person why do you become a candidate to rule the country? A group of people who do not have the ability to run their own affairs as a party. You want to rule a country. Massa.
All right, so thank you very much, Roger, for speaking to that effect. Yeah, Dr. Adumaku Kisi, a spokesperson for Brian Champon. Now, also, you need more on this particular issue. But in a moment, I'll be addressing them right here. But for now, you're caught now, Dr. Adumaku Kisi. Eddie Enkomo
SOMPA FM.
Dr. Adumaku Kisi Dampacho Apom to sing Yama Baba for God and Country on SOMPA 106.5 FM.
Yes, good afternoon and good evening.
Oh dog, you feel too much. You feel too much. She said I said a Jumano dear. They said as you now so can say pow.
It's in an answer. Your minor in idea.
Now, that's a say, I probot to send Dr. Brian Champon. Now, probono, I'm on some of the Senate here.
You did the kind of mentality for no minister Unimre, but that's right. Was a party no evidence, but my young consensus to consensus in your campaign. The entrainer, Yenri, Akutia election.
Sure.
Into what era? Dr. Brian Champon decided to send here on the party in Penny for no holding meetings or neho from time to time. Into or year meetings for a year party in Penny for a meetings. So now one thing a hard dream say a manyoku sem a manyoku for 80. Now Obieka no they have a trouble thing. It is worrying. We support this idea not to begin with. Emboying as a party because it grew membria. It's not in Kukwemuni din Koma. It we can party the Enkuyi or party the whole. Now face candidate and so challenges are candidates no FCCA ma Yabano Ankuyi. Now we all of this are also, there are many issues from party side, any candidate side. Now, for no, or say, and yet, Dr. Baumiana, a course, or a Bokuntoka. So, then is very important, say, one can be say, on no course, Bokuntoka, and now on no course, name or you're victim of circumstance, in the sense, in Tokano Pija the moon in the Echo no they are Bidinia na Idinia. Oh, in the last election now faces no Yepo Irakufor Iranado Omo Empensono. The party was neutral. The party still continues to be neutral. Na the Kwakrano Akobase Afafana Ekono. You are Dr. Baumia free one side. So, unfortunately for him, no, Wabe part of, not that he is the cause, but Wabe part of that challenge. Ama to say, we need free more, and ye, Ukaso on Kahua, Anya and for their foreign. Now, Nino, party, we have a deficit of over 2 million votes. ye here their pija emu to me a winning the next election. In the crack ye 5 years a party. You get party near Mount Kui. As I see dealing with them by the next 2 years. Near shake candidature. No so in summer air coswa. Near beside one say in summer cosy. By 2 years now the crack issues no. It's me dealing with it. Ama and to be a no affect here numbers na and no ne asembiso asembisa.
But Dr. Adomaku Kisi me twa no so but say utie nkomo na e course no videos ene na monting a yetia. You know, mentioning the two tribes over there, Kusasis and Mamprusis. Already no yenim eye ohawa womu ewomu. But there are some people have said, key amongst those persons, Lawyer Sebe, one of our panel members over here, say, rather unfortunate. And again, some commentary I've also heard, again, also suggests, say, Dr. Brian Champon has been a security expert before. He's been a security coordinator for this country before. And making such a statement, no. Sabre amene say going on social not in public, but now it's a public statement because somebody has leaked a statement and it's everywhere. And then you go on social media. Now we have videos of those conflicts politically popping up on social media. Don't you think, sir, Dr. Brenda Champon could have avoided this particular statement? Meeting, you know, people are okushia.
In hindsight, the isino okasa me matuase, but I think say osha inkumubia party na nkasa zidi nti hono mesel kakra because the fact remains and say you be queen ma yanton ye yare yenya no edu e chrono so one why ni so a how about you solve a chrono a problem nti we dey be say I think say that all check amanyo kona dwesi bibi so say se na akoye nimpo no credit ya nso no ne endi hun common ne edru se ko to abane o pejum pe e betumi edienya by one or two reasons. So whether we like it or not, no, you know, it even begs the case. Does it mean say bia anka party nin ye DNT e bia ba ko be ka so okay say na me so na we na de anye me ma party nin na ye nhwe de be ye, but it won't happen and we at their ANC. But you know, many cases is a very complicated issue. Yeah. But it needs to be discussed. Yeah. One, you need to be obia enkata so not yet discuss the same way because a very crucial boardroom level discussion as yendine and Sylvia it will worry us for decades on end. And Amanyo Ghana so there when him say obi mensia this year no they can't ne campaign where and say hey obi free and him fear no the color campaign where and say hey I to say kind ika ti e be kwenti out say you so now wa we try do ko is very dicey very dicey, but be it as it may, the very important thing is that the MPP party continues to be neutral about this issue. What's my say? Will continue to be neutral. Now, faces no, young can't say you're Dr. Baumia, and now, of course, it predates him to be a victim of circumstance.
Okay,
the choice of words.
All right. Okay, so if that's the choice of words, and from where he also sits, listening to Dr. Brian Champon, I believe he's hurt in one way or the other, because I just had an interview with Honorable Osei Chementa Bonsu, former majority leader, and they tell us would your candidate for that matter, Dr. Brian Achampon and the whole camp of yours issue an apology to that effect?
Oh, na yeah, kapwa. Maybe I can catch you say to Mr. Bones say, Dr. Baumia is somebody of believing data. Now data cannot cry and no apologize about data. Say I don't know, just all because data there and you know, when you talk truth to data, how do you apologize about data? And yes, I mean, it's difficult, but you know, we need to be bold and straight about the facts.
Okay, so before I conclude with you, what if you are invited by the National Council of Elders of the party, and for that matter, the national executives of the party, to a dialogue on this particular issue? Would your stand, I'm coming. Would your stand still be on, say, you are speaking to facts and on data rather than making sure, say, you guys would jojo and let that kind of coexistence, thrive within yourself, so that the unity and singleness of purpose are party in the panel will be reaching that kind of feat?
Hello there. We continue to be for unity, but unity without truth, unity without facts. Hello there. That is, we're not trying to be very serious as a party. So as I say, Oko England, Irish for the, England for Tokoi, only no kodi and a year ceasefire. What I say, in the ceasefire situation, one fan of kodi and Yejuma, it will not hold.
Okay.
We are very firm on unity, very firm on togetherness, but the culture of being untruthful, it has to stop. And I think that there's a point in time, nipa didn't care about the party near how ever solve here. My sentimental has no place in this. See, factual na you get to the root of it. You say, oh, by example, still loves Dr. Baumia in totality. Them no, not just technocrats, machinations within the election, but really candidates are strategic. We can show up, the numbers are here to win the election.
All right, okay.
I mean, it's unfortunate that people have misinformed him.
Okay.
So,
all right. But I don't think they have misinformed him, because he has also taken a lesson to the video and thing. But we can conclude on SOMPA that the NPP should discuss the effects of the Kusase and Mamprusi conflict on the 2028 elections going forward at a national
even 2024 first.
Even 2024
first.
Before 2028.
Yes, I mean if you don't know your past, you can't know your future. In the a lot of people were sold on the fact that we'll get northern votes. You really also ambassador. Into what is the issue? Is it the party or is it the candidate? And these are the questions you drive deep to bring out substantive, accurate information. Back it, that question is still hold. We were very hopeful. Say, presently, Dr. Baumia would have gotten a boom from the north, but you really, now
but Dr. Adumaku Kisi, I want to find out from you. What does I don't know if you have perused or the Michael Okwei's report has been made available to you. I don't know if you have perused the document, or even if it has not been made available to you, you've had snippets of information there related to this particular subject in the Michael Okwei's report. Have you gotten that kind of information?
They make me a catch or Ghana for Subai Kakare. Yes, why never catch or he never said, no, then Kokwana, I can't say, Pacho. nese day or conference
nese call.
Why nekoka? So and that culture no is a very dicey one now.
So you believe
you're very careful about.
So you believe that this issue that we are discussing over here is captured in the Michael Okwe's report. You believe, you have that conviction?
Oh, so any more dia na metria catch us or my new management.
Wow.
Because Collins Adumako stated it categorically, say Nempeswaso Omokachen say Ometramano, but Sasseminti Omuntuma the presidential candidate. I mean, I'm going make a lawyer Obri Eboa
lawyer
Obri Wine Aboso Oko Western North Akontombra Omuka the same thing channel Omututia even there's already a couple there Omututia Tutia candidate which is the elected candidate at the time. Sir, I mean, these are, if I tell you the pain people have gone through for some of these things, careers are being damaged. Listen, recently, I don't want to discuss this thing on air, but wow, him to say, oh, I asked them. I say, okay, I said, Edika, na yanka, na yakatakata swa. Nah,
okay. All right, very well. Very well. Dr. Adumako Kisi, better was say so but it's been some time now since we had you in the studio. Yeah, I was on the show.
I'm going from TD, a former brother.
I hear. We'll be looking forward to it. Thank you so much for speaking to us.
Abotchie.
Hey, Dr. Adumako Kisi.
All right.
All right. So, Dr. Adumako Kisi, spokesperson for Brian Achampon, and artist in the Edinco.
You see, I like people like this. Dr.
Adumako.
Yes.
He speaks there. Yes. You feel he speaks the truth.
We'll point it out, Bibi. Also, with the benefit of hindsight, who say, and comments be wanka ama and kebebwa. Mean that is the kind of you see. This is a Minya Roger. I like his communication skills. He's fantastic.
Why Unia Roger?
Minya Roger. But and you may be the Otiminchen.
Yeah. Also, when you general.
Many general pa. Oh, you so. Some of wow. Also, what do you matter yet here? You.
Oh, you at him.
I'm in chill.
And it's him. The road house.
I don't know, sir. Oman opportunity or son the mic and he say, Kim. Na spirit ni rana. But you go more as a Roger.
Okay, so I was
number 2 see me adeba kwa mempe. Say bibiano na ye tra bibia obeya ebe peja ama oyone akoba bi de ya na mempe. Also onya point ke to be about Dr. Brian. Me akaka say the statement I think say nko nka ne sa no. Any other no national security. Let's not go there, see.
No, but when I posed the question to your friend.
No, understand.
And he had also agreed. Say yes.
In fact, make us say yes. Don't say Minya Roger.
Listen, like said, we brainimni. When you court, now walk us some. Now me a lawyer. Now me tell one chain. Now walk us some. Now me fee say. Some no me why who can try to come out some there. What is wrong with that?
Yes, you are the answer. And I'm going to say it. Bibi to say. Mahama Ayariga majority leader. Also, I apologize for some comments.
Yeah.
And you know, I wouldn't even want to go there again. Your president, who also happened to be a former president. Problem problem wo kro ni so nyina ya ahemfo mienu
me da se
ba ka se ba ko ni enim na ma besom na me ka ho asem ha enti roja bibi ho a na wato
ma me go hey right near ebo backman near
and people want some also they came but you see
yeah
but you see say I'm going to compete MPP when you are competition 2028 until you are meeting them I wish it over win election. Oh, missing. I mean, movement for change. Young candidate. Only MPP in JPP assembly. Within the context of what we are discussing, MPP assembly. Hey, you as a lawyer. No, you can MPP assembly. Hey, as a lawyer.
Uncle Ebo Backman. Okay, I remember Uncle Ebo Backman. Fad Osman Semenchel.
Oh, yeah.
And I remember that I started with Fad Osman way back in Techman.
Yeah, he's a good friend. He's a nice man.
On Asari TV.
Yeah, nice guy.
He's
a nice guy.
Yes. Yeah, Fad Osman. Fad Osman.
Can I since MP before boycotted TV3 mention or
he's listening.
Fad.
And then Michael Achreku, thank you so far for also watching us, Michael Achreku over there in Techman. It's watching. It's watching. The teacher, me can message you answer. Teacher Kujo, Tubodoma Dantasi. The fact is that the NDC has nothing to offer this country anymore. NDC has failed Ghanaians totally. Just with 8 months in office, they took over power. Good afternoon to Honorable Professor Christopher Meyaw Kunfi, Honorable Martin J. Mensah Kosa, local boy, and Honorable Kwesi Edujan, former regional minister, Bono East Region. Fad Osman Simen Country Buze was Resa. Fad, one day would want you to join us.
He's a nice guy.
Fad is a nice guy. He communicates very well.
Yeah, he's a nice guy.
Yeah.
I mean, he's one of the few. On your lawyer, one MP, some of them were cast on the arrogance. One casino. I mean, they speak like they are still in power. It's like, I mean, some of them.
Yeah.
But if you share lawyer Sabe, Fad, and some other ones, sure. These are Gofa Wakasa and Brasim, and they speak what Kenyan says some so. And if they will send more of these people, was it been Musuba? It been Musuba. The more he talks, the more people lose his vote. It's more
miracle.
Oh, that guy, people lose vote. People lose vote. Miracle for smart, you see.
Dennis. And I was a communicator of his nature.
Hey, the politics and communication. They're kicking on their casa. Sure, so I can say we are. And I say, in your bimo or two more catch of the Asama King. Say, can they are Koboboa? Because even Nancy Ampa, SMC, what's it, amnesty,
yeah.
If you read some of his comments, the arrogance with which he speaks. Na small, MPP, MPP, and why for me? The MPP, Miami MPP.
Now, miracles. Abuaji Dennis na wenyan is
SOMPA FM. I mean, you see, those people no back catch. I mean, when I'm on go MPP. Onye Nakufado, President Kufuor, Lord Comey, Mark Menu, John Buedu, Osafo Mafu. The monk of them on grim, Wache Jakum. One of my young grew MPP, Minyamba family, Union Swazi, Union Sompen in Fudum.
So, would you describe them just like
former today? America's Abuaji, Sompen in Funa, so a cousin pa. A friend then a young so at a young swasa. Yes, arrogance. Enyan so no yes no nye ibo won from mpanyinfo or party no mu. Listen, you
have been too harsh on
meet the party people and talk to them, and you understand what I'm talking about.
Oh sure.
Oh yes. So
giving the opportunity,
on set NDC MPP
Uncle Ebo, but say giving the opportunity now. Rollins described the young guys within the NDC as babies with sharp teeth. Today, as we speak, they are the people manning the affairs of this country. So, would you also say, say, within
those part of sharp teeth, so that you're in your position now? No, I'm like, I mean, if I could infer, if I could infer from what you said, it means I'll copy to be.
They are deep thinkers. Somebody like
so Prof. So, Prof, the next topic now, because people want some of the. Saturday. Saturday, I send me to go. But I'm 2 minutes. I was talking about.
In the next 5 minutes, I'll activate the lines. Yeah. 0260 196064 0260 196065 and ye be lines now. Me patch my phrases. You free am fa. Ye be lines to my. These are the numbers I'll be to phrases. So you contribute to the discussion. So Uncle Boy,
yes, my cousin.
About some there can.
Sentra. I mean, into mko MPP bio. Na asama makanyin makadan ka makasen bio ha. The nsunsun o de ebusuan na political party. Political party onye ebusuan.
Political party
onye ebusuan mo obi anda da there ebusuan kurunti ekobra onye ebusuan. And I'm giving you an example different between ebusuan na political party. Remember me with 2004.
Uncle Ebo, you make me laugh sometimes.
Yes.
There's a difference between ebusuan
and a political party. Ebusuan what would political party a join. Political party say a join a baby tin a join. The as all them a join so nyimi biwa etumi film. Ebusuan bobo afibo. Nti ya sunanyi ana ye sunanyi ameme ya sunanyi anase sunanyi. Nti mowu as nsonanyi nti mu wa asonafo ana nsonafo no obesiem wo Cape Coast political party unto them etumu join ni etumu film momo example my mu 2004 that time nyon abo kesi the contest elections na me try my party the mama me ewu nti the party that I was executive member of the party na me youth organizer na party try me there because of my no way wouldn't obey vetting. Look at what they did though. Or fix vetting on the day or the mammy, the Friday. No was set or fix vetting. Now what from letter there because of my agency, I will be the first person to be vetted on that Friday. Now vetting will start 8 o'clock, and so I should be there by 7. 7 I'm okay. Mammy wash a fridge ye beyin menzizi my juna basana makatino because I will be first person to be vetted. No mo kotino.
But were you the first to be vetted?
Metino was a 7 you one kanchram. It was a friend who told me there was 7 you know. No me chase venue no cray. Metino biam cross 7. If me call before 7, what's it? I'll be first person to be vetted. Do you know when I was vetted? 10:30 p.m. is when I was vetted.
But so of course,
I was the last.
But so of course, yes. Some of them say, "Who ye yentino?" Satan why ye never no one vetted.
I was the last person to be vetted. Oh, I saw me can enter sir. Friday na.
Okay, the Friday.
Friday na. What did them mama no? No, from that Friday, we vet him. I will be the first person. Now, what vet him? 10:30 p.m. Mama me obi onyim bia mama me was my everything. Nti eyini nya no simunando. The car was back. So was the best.
Did you find out why it happened so?
No, Padem sorrow call. That time, President Kofo had insisted there I should be allowed to contest. na another camp also say I also push for my disqualification. Until now, but I'm sorry kwa na Africa Cape Coast not there. Buckman is not there, then I'll be disqualified. Now, Mitsinama 10:30. I was the last person over it. Will be some only one question. Why do I want to contest? That was the only question. Will be some. Now, Ntimukwana my mother didn't know them. And look at the pressure. So they call you Ebo Atano was better no him fa. Ebo Kana so I had to.
So they disqualified you?
No, they didn't disqualify me. I'm saying that
you passed the vetting.
But Mebus, yes, of course. I was the youth organizer. They didn't have any reason. But Mebusia, Mukwana Mebusia for your mammy at Tumpum. Political party was so insensitive and so wicked there. Some mammy wumpa. In Chow, I will vet him first. Namun concussion mammy. Let me see my mammy and Monday demo mammy. Mukwana, what did them mammy them pum 10:30? No vet him. So I say I want you to know the difference between a political party and a busia.
Me that's it.
In fact, I'm gonna say. So
yeah.
With the
Ebo
Backman senior. With the it's very emotional. It's very emotional. Na the course on sa ankoso a on kasa asemwe. Nti kafra bebre meti anso na meti ama MPP. Na uti asemu a ono akan ya. Na just say fashion bi o ho no mo mpese obe contest. Was a President Kufuor, not President Kufuor person o yeden. O contest. Sabe no a president ana. He was the number 1 gentleman of NPP. No support to say.
But I was Kufuor's boy.
Yes, or support so what I want to say is a certain faction of NPP. And this are the deal. It men categorizing in nyina say NPP for nyina na etisi said the wokan. He said the wokan say meba. So what meba show them. So what me the first gentleman of MPP then. Ato so there. Let me give you President Kufuor ntia.
Okay, my main for because me patch off. Obetimi afre 0260 196064 0260 196065. Any numbers I'll bet me afraid so now. If you have any concern, if you have any issue to raise any numbers I'll bet me afraid so now. Me patch up. Roger, there's so akasa be. Roger, my main for course in we are memo akasa. Why? Me that say my main for first caller. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Okay, lines that's come. You can also call and be a part of the show. 0260196064 0260196065. Let's see. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Maybe I don't want a minute in the castle.
Yeah, but you're from John Clinton.
John, I don't want
Yami boss, Mr. Roger.
Okay.
Some night, your papa, the kind idea, and the also watching sign can club a good party no fipa. And before, not like a good party no fin. But to talk, come back to power in 2028. But apart from that, media. They have to look onto themselves a bit.
Okay, maybe that's it. Oh, now, okay, friend.
But if Kadafi got to teach, come on.
Oh, Tema. Yeah, that's it. So bad, you made it. So thank you so much. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yay, that's to say.
You are the name of Bible. You are on a yacht. If you want to pass on a lot of my you know, Mama Memorial, Procaze, or is that your piano?
May I say, yeah, it's
Bob. This is Dr. Brane Champo. SOMPA FM. And just because you have them Prof, I almost say Dr. Brane Champo and Kakano. Young got some men said that that even said Dr. De Siu Sitiano. So Sambia Wakano, a Sambia a bit here party now, and 24 said the amount for Cano, and when we have about the patch of Zabia one can eat. But in 2000 amount for I am Pia from Zabia City, so they are already a problem. But this is a party, no, the do party MPP, and this a memo we are among functionary $1. This means $1. ɛna dɔn na nneɛma boɔ de bi ɛbɛhwɛ ne yɛka ho asɛm ne yɛ nkasa yɛ party no ne yɛ tɔn yɛn ho saa deɛ sɛ ɛmoa MPP yɛbɛfrɛ bibi a baabi a mohwɛ na monsɛtere so deɛ yɛntuom afiri sɛ banke a ɔma no ɔmbɛfrɛ no
medase pastor by so akafia. Hello, good evening.
Yɛn nyinaa yɛ tie sompa.
Me pa to din ni baby akasa free.
Me pa to your friend me Bright me kasa free abuso kai.
Bright abuso kai wadaba mpacho etie why.
Mpacho abuso kan fo nyinaa etia papa ene ejuma so a oyɛ di bo man Ghana.
Yeah. Amen.
Now, over Juma.
Medase pa.
Yeah, me tio pa ba rana me ntimi remunti. And that's where a dad touched me now, but my ball show now.
Oh, okay.
Nah, I mean, shop.
Amen.
Me tia carry, honorable courage, my cafe no nepeku or TDC. Papa no, ye Juma pa. Then you say one day, mobile right in our bamboo studio. MD or TDC. Obono mwade papa. Share onim. Akoye se MPP for no. Say oye other trap na ofra omo party ne ma. Omo mpe. This year sebi we asante ne nkwa na obodi need ema. Because yin na ye Ghana for. Say Brana Champon 8 meeting now e kan sa asem we a. Senya sempa. Because omo ka sada no akoye se ntafo omumpe ntafo any nofiness wasin because
when I say we dey no correct na say ntisa akra ankam David say ankam omumfa doctor ba
bebra oh yeah omumfa no correct ye kan no correct na ebi mu wo amumpe because omankasa party ni mu dada me kan no correct na acho enye say NDC kasa ye sa anka ye vice president and omo vote manager so ombeji na omunim na asema honorable champo kan say bia no because ombo ye tribalism and ka omunye tribalism and ka omba bonti embe kasa asombi
all right Medase. Ayacha Abuso kind for my wife. Thank you so much for being a part of the show. Hello, good evening.
Chema Muchi, good evening, I have to say.
Maybe I saw you, and I'm going to say.
Only evangelist, what is written?
What is written is written. Now, but what is happening? Asalaja for a child when you know my wife.
Chema Muchi, the actual Jomama, Mitiana, probably will be a number more de Quay, 7 months here. You say, Yatana in film or Chumu. Ihuni akwa 7 months ehuni akwa kudunti onko so mu amamoni sa na wona ni mamumu pano tanaki ye meka no na afin so no eye nia bra champon mi ni asemo keka no de kwa bi so no fa bi ya rekro because on za ba kwa kan say party ni person that bia e ba power so maka say that bia no say Ghana for ka say NDC for one from one 2028 do mutum na ene de enye possible da o ma imagine say on ba o mi be ko 3 times na ba omi aso say party ku atoma no a Ghana for no nation ntoma no wana asem no no abi before di na ko dare suburani say party ku afo so kotoma ba omi a o wi ni aba no awo Ghana enye possible na da time be so wo kan say if ku an say mampusi ni yemi anum ku sase fo ntokwa no onyam say omu sanya ba omi na edi ntokwa na ba tani onabu kisika no nyo na di aba no o shase ya hon wo fi kakra fa no ana san go fo so mo ba bia o man pusi ni kusasi fo no de wo Ghana mo ba bia enya hon kwa no mo o mo Ghana ba bia mo ho etiri se mo papa wa wi ni a na ta ko ma no a enye possible because
all right
ko say
all right so waka wasa na wi
ba me fa wi se mo nya de ko ma no a e ho ba ne de nya muntum na eti ku kwa pa we second upon the kan ya ga beti Ghana me dey go pan say na kan upon the kan sa we na kwa ye bla champon onabo kan that be Ghana wo from NDC a on the betum de BP aba
Medase what is written is written. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Prof.
Yes sir, me so wana me na ka say
we ye unu ya Felix Bell ahinkwa.
Oh Felix Bear. Me ba so etio.
Yo, I know my ikonia jumapa. Na mami at the incoming flag bearer, Honorable Kennedy, a compre ko ohini a Japan. Them ma kukudro for them ma okano kore, them ma osigana first. Se baby I don't know, ono na yehiano. Na mesre yem penim for no, womo amu jina se yentu omo so abana umbabe flag bearer ma party ni. Say omu kan hu se internal election na yeko. Na internal election should be
Yena ye tie sompa.
Eniama wa ya e di abo party no ukoye campaign. Ka enu enchire delegate. Any oba the ubetini aye e di abo man any party no e na ubeka. The best wo mu bebre. Enu ntina ye mu bi die ye si baby aye drui. Honorable Kennedy a compre ko hini Japan. And the betini give power no amaye. Our betting here, dear Juma, I can a member, Benya Juma, and she that's a Omuka,
Medase, some video page ready. So let's talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, bro.
Me pass one minute, Cassie.
What to say, Yedikan?
Me pass also day.
Me say, what to say, Yedikan, what to say?
Oh, me pass one when Yamada Rami, who and elsewhere.
Yo, Yanko Panda Roma, somewhere.
Me pass
on Yamia Swashe, Yina Swamad for the Median Frifa.
Cantamanto, a hobo horror.
You who are down my hobo prof.
You me pass on
Mamencha Dr. Brand champion. Unya with Remano, no never be SOMPA MPP. I may I may one friend this in Semine. Papa said you that Ghana way said you can. Na me kwati kwata prof Musa wo no prasa yewla mama say ansan na koma samso no o say yi double track no ntimi nyi mfiri
oh na asam we so gote no we
iza jiro fo de duro bia na ya na mu ehu
de bia anya hu asam de bi wo na wo ka wasam ana me bisa say asam no wo te no wa he tin no wa baby out tin no wa ka kire me na nka me so maka
okay na say me tie we ya officer tell they want here
nze wo na wo ka kire me
okay nti aboso oba asabu onye ba yo se aboso me so oba aboso me nwotwi ni ana ya no mu rafi aboso me nwotwi ni wanya no ana
yes
the what position can double track now what was said
me pacho and then na me hwe krata bi mu na krata de kire say they are reverting back to the old system yeah so those double track and those things in no omo etwem enti asem no the person me catch no and na catch no yes
but ode yankoma
yabutre metio
okay
metio
pa okay metio say na omo say Brian aka de pa say de woma asomu fan wake up we
na uda na wote say Brian kan
mpacho o start we no man say that entie ni yenti no man say me say
one share entie almost say Brian say say ehwe oman mu ha Dr. Mamu Baumia ede no kogina 2024 elections no siremu ho no answer that amfa because so hwe siremu ho na nya ne bone so but yo kusase ni mampurusi for na ono so free ho and still you could choose no kra na one of the tribes no enya dia ye beto aba
okay that's what the enya ensha the nya timbia sa na promise no mbeko into ono asem the sentiments can be bia ase yeso asemu twintwan sa and the nya nwanwa obi abegina say MPP form pe enough of asem ye kan wo mo pe enough of asem pa both two parties now why na ma enough for na akonya ga MPP na di kan fa enough for no nipa mo benya post kese wo aban mu
e post ben
mpacho yewura your friend say your vice onyan da bi koyi alu mama table na NDC afa obi panyana animu ye yo yewura atamese oba na obefa yewura mahama so be vice table na MPP afa bi da ana me boa enti sanka ye Baumia so ya se se nya vice free so ho mienu wo mo vice wo mama ye se o so a mo tem pick mo na mpe wo mo asem no e no no president no odi ye no e ya kwanya bi yewura
na me mbisa wo na wo candidate ben na support no se se
oh to me ni de
Kennedy Japan
me ye MPP ni do beba bia no be se se ye de se me ye delegate na me ko to mo dia beto ama Brian Champon kopim se de nta beto ama ono ne se kopim se yewura Baumia ne ken no ase de mo ye du o mo aye two challenge bi no enso no ye pese party ni kabombo ebamu on se de me kire no aha enti se ye nya obi a ye ya obi ani obi enka ka se na se bia na anopa ho na do beba bia o ye MPP ye sum party no ye sum nipa on se de tie ye de party na entra power enti no do beba bia o mo delegate ni beyi ni bia de be MPP ani bia no ye bocho bo di na chi anadwo awio esumo ehanmo ensuomo awiemo ye sa na tie
all right mama kwan ma wakasa
mama fa masam ketewa bi nto azum pa cho ye sirura mahama opposition or tie no kekan sem bebre no obo especially galamsey no ka say anke yemfa state of emergency into so no ye send ye twa na bosome nwotwe nie state emergency ne atwa mu ana ye twa no a won na galamsey die na Ghana nsuo sei sei pa abobo ya nzo ka so de ba ye te ho hio prof ya no akata tira na mai wa
o se abobo ya no
abobo ya ni wole ti buju no
orebi okaso de bebre boy
wow bro abobo ya ni wole ti buju na
oh my goodness Debbie. Oh, Debbie. Me bato sabri cost the vacancy. Asame. What am I for last caller? That minimum. Hello.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. But what am I casting? Hey, Catamanto for the yeah. Okay. Me da base. Yanko.
I want to know mama di yeah, papa what do you am?
Mama di mu yamo.
What do you am papa.
Ah, na say we MPP. Na say we MPP ni.
Okay.
So we MPP.
We are gonna ni. Mama di am what do you am papa. I say o pato da me
na ye tie sompa
minimum 2 minimum ya de ma se be kan da me nwa o kwa na so papa so sa o
yeah komodisi mo de agrofo we de hey emumpa de ebo bagman che be sorry so but mama nkoso cow say aposin a ewo dwaman so but of fresh ya menfa me unya ivre aposin a ewo dwaman so sesi a akopeche na udi na talk na udi chuchu sin a bebo apa ye Yaz toothpaste and Yaz toothbrush na ye kama ye solid na toothpaste no so de moton mint wom e ma obo mfunu na bomodin na kope bia bebo ye pa akodwaman so aka say Yaz toothpaste Yaz toothbrush and bebo aw se won kran ha no pe bia to aton a bomodin na fra Lexter company 050 161 9588 so Kumasi 050 1390 338 na kai you say time herbal mixture. I've told you it's a prophylaxis. Ya dry ebusuya ehia bomoding na tobi na fesifie na anopa bia no abobi enwumre bia no abobi ejesa malaria ebe how na mpono ye bema ojunso ntentem ana say edu ahomache a we no ntimi eje ntimi mbemu a Copper time HH Mister and then the capsules. Ebe ye pa. Nangpono, if you want to live well for your general well-being, a time herbal mixer, a memanum, a muscle and num. A drugstore pharmacy shop be a ben be an idea on Saraka. But more than 0244 417 669. And again, doctor, a year time that so, doctor time that so. Ono in a ya we are dead no. So wo defend the feature what ten te a bread da so obehwe ama bibia ye kama say ye wahra wo brebom ana wo temenka na oba opeso fefru be ma opeso se oba nyinsenga medima for herbal center bomoding na kope na tisha na kwan say malaria say typhoid or ten te friend was 0244 774282 again 0500 727215 nkran ha obehu omo poko ase maira nkran kumase omo ebuakwa agogo bian gama school di hwe mo Dr. Time Daso, the Lord is our ultimate healer. Nakai say, hey, Edroway, Tontina 74, Ot 74. We dear Amama Kaimi Nana, do draw now what I see my yenom. Nasa Tontina 74 we, me patro a bois Emma ekuntia ya debia. Enkan patro temen kan de na ohunam nyina eya obasabasa na wuje ohun enje me patcho Tontina 74 ena beka wasama maw sempo no eya wahra wamu ubrebomu ana wawensa masabri uyanya cirrhosis of the liver ubrebomu no ase yade bia bem ana bema wujunso ana wuchim me patcho Tontina 74 abedwaman so and I would go drugstore pharmacy shop bia na pedrator kasa me petit 74 me pacho sempono nkrotroa ana asthma ana obu na ye oya ana onanse ahoho ana chronic disease bia ganka man busumi sui na wo bay abna me titrotro bi mu na ba bi timi nchen kakra no wan no hwe no mo wan dwi me se ma me busumi aso ana o se ai me pacho we drawn Tontina 74. Tontina 74. The patrol agree a Food and Drugs Authority for Ajatum that it's available at our pharmacy shop bia. A drawway tona for bone who bind new webusia phone na who bind. But patrol your bano of a fru and nasa mark odano for me patrol a drawway dear. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not recommended for one more. Womu ehwe nkoda akoda ana womu mankoda no fo me pacho enyema nkoda no abofra so a onye ndi 12 years manen pebi nom kra Tontina T74 come up pacho bet me afre 02460 73498 again 050 1628931 for ball pitches super duduma Okaishi Drug Lane Wokumasia Ashtown Kolinak Herbal a hot and Albanyebi Tontina 74 T74 Sarfo they be our normal timid dasa but they do have much here ne 8 o'clock ne dia na 6 o'clock ne 12 o'clock there no abo obo wia ejuma nkoten sabri yeko anklebo asema twato
masemo twato nyu there sometimes it is difficult there see a case is here na kind of was NDC for but so be friend okade this economy nzema nkoye na say ipakuna so no you free there say ehwe baby ifi bay oye last year na previous years most in the economy why ma abene bay we to wabo ma we stabilize the economy ma yan macroeconomic environment no okoye na nansi ampo DDEP bond holders
bond holders
which get 9.7 billion was so far from January we trade 19.4 billion was am nkofo no o trade abana robo no hombozen nti se robo no hombozen na o mayenka so that so odu baby na senzema nkoye so na yere ka no trade you are being fair
for
jata say na mom the JMPP I say mo the JMPP for there I mean baby metina you know MPP one problem and maka one problem and maka two maka two but maka one pe one major problem is sala waka ekoda nda mo hon waka de konongo kaya oni on to musia no so mo binsia oni Dr. Baumia o inu collections on ye
o sere
mesi
why no ho konongo kaya
mesi MPP one problem o enyimpa o one
MPP for problem nipa ba
ko sisiala
say nipa na e hwan
oncha makasaba
oh they be visa man so mento to one
masi nipa kro no waka no de konongo
kaya
on to Munsiazin, Naso on Pada will be Asia.
Until when
Dr. Baumiana Senamakin.
Oh, sir.
Because
he's the problem of the MPP.
I saw Brian Champion.
He is the problem.
Is the problem of the party if they will be sincere. Because giving Makacho the Dr. Baumiana as a person, he may be a very good person. But the cotton, iguana cotton woman, he will not be a good product for the market. Mama, can you there? Mama, asema on our by champion can on your Simbiala or you. Dr. Baumiana supporters open the work or your issue. That's what they do. But on no Casamaza. Next will be Kochuma. Hey, you are being tracked.
Thank you very much, Uncle Ebu Backman. Yes.
MPP party. My order of things fall apart. Next week, you buy a lawyer, but may sign it, signature to nominate any system.
Things fall apart, man. Oh, some are kind of. There been a who's it? Are they?
Appreciating the reality of where they have gotten to as a party. We are party nothing to happen some a collapse now. Bibia enima or more better. What is almost it? The married law. Now I want to say I'm being answered.
Why kind?
No, it's no just
no, but it will happen to your party.
No, it will not happen. Why are you? You see?
No, but you go for an internal contest. Internal contest. It will happen to you.
It will not happen. It's not a must that we have to face the same route. No.
So you want to tell me that you don't have contest of ideas when you have.
We will go into a contest, but NDC. Oh, me mic now off. We do no. We will go into a contest, but NDC is a well-structured, well-organized party as compared to MPP now. MPP now is in shambles.
Last
no when he was speaking.
But who said
Mike, don't take Otundum no parliament and some
quickly.
MPP, especially delegates in answer baby Ghana kwakuduno. A 2 mean yepu and yet flag bearer keka oko no sadia babet nefi. So Tim Comona Koni Nina do a fit from here. Nipa Ghana for a sufreno and Honorable Kennedy a compreko e Japan. Or no, ena abrabo a wabo nyina kire se na niso ade hunu e wo ma Ghana eye adwuma de emabunu so ahwehwe sesei eye adwuma so hwe galamse a etu ateseni ade nyinara na ejina adwuma so entisie wo obi a onim adwuma waye adwuma na wo ho ahoden se obetim de nyuma bebre aba mabunu aya ni eja no akwa ho abiu se MPP petumi 2028 dia na esese yeto aba edema Honorable Kennedy ohene e Japan ono ene beja Ghana ede akwa akosi baby a ye nyina ye pese ehunu no so me ya roja e ka se MPP for enwina ansa ya na revise kumawu by election
Abusiafo your friend Kobla Abochie K Prof. We want to say a big thank you. Mo Abochie on Facebook Papa Kwame Atuapem, great job Prof. Thank you so much. Osman Salifu, my brother Roger. It's more fire from brother Roger. And then Michael Achreko, the best presenter. Oh, thank you so much for those accolades. Fad Osman say Shusheno, why? Also Shusheno.
Oh, bro, I will call you.
On behalf of the team led by my senior man Bright Entry, Patrick and Sarfo Kamfanka, we want to say a big thank you.